Now that you've seen how containers work, we're going to take that information a step further and explore how they can be used in a modern hybrid cloud and multi-cloud architecture. Let's begin by looking at a typical on-premises distributed systems architecture, which is how businesses traditionally met their enterprise computing needs before cloud computing. Most enterprise-scale applications are designed as distributed systems, spreading the computing workload required to provide services over 2 or more network servers. In recent years, containers have become a popular way to break these workloads down into microservices, so they can be more easily maintained and expanded. Traditionally, these enterprise systems, and their workloads, containerized or not, have been located on-premises, which means they're housed on a set of high-capacity servers running somewhere within the company's network or within a company-owned data center. When an application's computing needs begin to outstrip its available computing resources, a company using on-premises systems would need to requisition more, or more powerful, servers, install them on the company network after any necessary network changes or expansion, configure the new servers, and finally, load the application and its dependencies onto the new servers before resource bottlenecks could be resolved. The time required to complete an on-premises upgrade of this kind could be anywhere from several months to 1 or more years. It might also be quite costly, especially when you consider the useful lifespan of the average server is only 3 to 5 years. But what if you need more computing power now, not months from now? What if your company wants to relocate some workloads away from on-premises to the cloud to take advantage of lower costs and higher availability, but is unwilling or unable to move the entire enterprise application from the on-premises network? And what if you want to use specialized products and services that are only available in the cloud? This is where a modern hybrid or multi-cloud architecture can help. It allows you to keep parts of your system's infrastructure on-premises while moving other parts to the cloud, thus creating an environment that is uniquely suited to your company's needs. Move only specific workloads to the cloud at your own pace because a full-scale migration isn't required for it to work. Take advantage of the flexibility, scalability, and lower computing costs offered by cloud services for running the workloads you decide to migrate. And add specialized services such as machine learning, content caching, data analysis, long-term storage, and IoT to your computing resources toolkit. In the next video, you'll learn about Google Cloud's answer to modern hybrid and multi-cloud distributed systems and services management.